another night. Everyone's chasing something bright. Same tired dreams, different faces. Same old racing, different places. Hands are shaking, hearts are numb, trading hours for becoming someone. You say you're free, but tell me why you're scared to stop and ask yourself why. You call it choice, you call it fate, but something's pulling you back. Tell me, what do you serve? Who decides what your life is worth? Is it yours or what you're told? Is it fear or the price you sold? Look inside before you fall. If everything breaks, what do you serve at all? You count the wins, you count the loss, you call it life, you call it cost. But every step feels pre-approved by rules you never even choose. You're not starving, you're not weak, but something's cutting you deep inside. You got enough, but still you chase something you can't even name. You say that's life, you say that's real, but tell me, is that how you feel? Oh, tell me, what do you serve? Who decides what your life is worth? Is it yours or what you're told? Is it fear or the price you sold? Look inside before you fall. If everything burns, what do you serve at all? If it all disappears tonight, no name, no rank, no numbers are right. Who are you when the screen goes black? What's the truth you never track? No answers written on the wall, no system left to take the call. Just you standing there. No excuses, nowhere to stare. So tell me, what do you serve before the ground starts losing earth? When the mask breaks, when lies collapse, when comfort snaps like broken glass. Stand still, don't run, don't stall. If nothing owns you, you own it all. No chains to break, just eyes to open. Morning breaks, no one's watching. No applause, no one clapping. Just another list to fill, another day testing your will. You keep waiting for the sign, for the perfect place, the perfect time. But something inside already knows why you're still standing, why you won't fold. No one said it would be loud. Some truths speak when the world shuts down. Do what you're here to do, even when nobody's proud of you. No spotlight, no reward, just the weight of knowing who you are. If this is all you ever prove, stand your ground, do what you're here to do. Slipping fast, you feel the pressure of the present and the past. Everyone's asking what's it worth, but no one asks what it costs your soul. You play your part, you pull your weight, you don't complain, you don't escape. But late at night when it's just you, you know exactly what you didn't do. Excuses sound better than the truth, but the truth keeps coming back. What you're here to do, even when the fear is screaming through. No shortcuts, no disguise, just the fire burning behind your eyes. When there's no one left to approve, stand your ground, do what you're here to do. Do what you're here to do, not for them, this is on you. When the world forgets your face and only truth remains in place. If there's one hill you choose to lose, let it be for what you're here to do. No excuses, no delay. This moment is the to stay in line, how to play the game. Smile when it's time, speak when you're told. Act surprised by the stories they sold. You tried your best to fit the shape, but your edges learn to wait. But something in you never slept. Something never signed the deal they kept. You followed every road they sent, still felt wrong everywhere you went. I was never made to belong to a life that always felt this wrong. I don't break away, I just step back from a path I was never meant to track. If walking alone is what it means, then let it be clear. I choose to be. They call it normal, they call it safe, but every day feels out of place. You're not angry, you're not insane. You just refuse to fake the same refrain. You see the cracks behind the mask, hear the lies inside the laugh. They say this is how it's done, but you feel the cost before you've won. It's not rebellion yet, it's not pride. You just can't kill what's alive inside. I was never made to belong to a life that always felt this wrong. No slogans, no flags to defend, just knowing where I won't bend. If standing still while others flee, then let it be clear. I choose to be. If you strip it down, what's really there? No titles left, no roles to wear. Who are you when no one's watching? Who are you when you stop pretending? No chains to break, no walls to climb, just the courage to draw the line. This isn't escape, it's the truth. You've known it since you were young. I was never made to belong to a world that calls the silence wrong. I don't run, I don't attack, I just won't sell the soul I have if I stand alone. So I can see, then let it be clear. I choose to be. I choose to be. Not lost, not broken, just not on. You build your life in layers of time, names and faces drawn in lines. Everything you swear is real still bends beneath the weight you feel. You call it love, you call it fate, you call it yours, but it won't stay. Every promise wears thin with years. Every truth dissolves in fear. You tried to hold what slips away like night, pretending it's the day. Nothing holds forever. No crown, no star, no flame. Nothing stays unbroken. No face, no word, no name. If everything is falling through, then maybe that's the honest truth. You chase the light, you fight the dark. You draw your lines, you guard your heart. But time keeps speaking without sound. Everything you love turns around. Yeah. Not cruel, not kind, just what it is. No warning sign, no final kiss. You lose what lifts you to the sky. You lose the things you die to hide. It's not a curse, it's not a test. It's just the truth you haven't said. Nothing holds forever. No victory, no blame. Nothing stays unbroken. Even fire learns the rain. If all the things you thought you knew are fading slow, then so are you. What are you without what you cling to? Who survives when the story breaks? If the ground beneath you vanishes, do you fall or finally wake? No anchor left, no role to play, no script to read, no price to pay. Just breathe, just blood, just open eyes, standing still while the illusion dies. Nothing holds forever, and that includes the pain. Nothing stays unbroken. That's how freedom gains its name. If all you lose was never you, then maybe this is something true. Let it fall. Let it fade. You're still here.
but something's gone. Too many voices, nothing wrong. No tears fall, no screams remain, just hollow breaths inside my chest. I cut the noise, I kill the sound. No one's left to let me down. to me. I burned the lies that kept me warm. Now I feel the quiet storm. Oh, it's cold but clear. No false hope here. No crowd to make me feel alive. Just breathe and blood enough to survive. If nothing's left for me to lose, then tell me what can break this trust. This is the sound of empty. No promise dressed as hope. No faith I need to carry. No lie tied to a rope. If everything I leaned upon is gone tonight, I'm still not gone. I'm still not gone. Strip the name, strip the role, strip the dreams you were told to hold. When there's no one left to impress, no future fantasy to bless, who are you without the noise? Who survives without a choice? This is the sound of empty, and I am not afraid. There's nothing left to rescue, nothing left to save. If this is all I ever need, then maybe this is freedom. No voice inside, no echo calls, just me standing in it all. flags to raise, no crown, no crown. I paid the cost, I learned the price, I cut the need for your advice. No camera light, no cheering crowd, no borrowed strength to make me loud. Every scar I claim is mine, I don't need proof, I crossed the line. I stopped asking to belong when I learned I was enough all alone. I don't need to be seen to know I stand my ground. I don't need your belief to hear my heartbeat sound. I don't need your approval never shout. I didn't rise to dominate. I rose so I could stand straight. No butterflies above my name, just steady breath inside the flame. I don't need to be seen. The ground knows where I tread. I don't need your memory. I live what I've said. If I walk this path unknown, then let it be my own. No spotlight, no sign. Still here, still I saw the cost before I stayed. I knew the price, I chose the way. No hand forced mine into the flame. No voice convinced me who to blame. I don't curse the road I walk. I don't beg the sky to talk. I stand where consequences born. No victim crown, no martyr form. I could have turned and called it fate, but I stayed. And that decides my name. This is the weight I choose to carry. Not a cross, not a curse, not a plea. I don't need the world to thank me. This burden answers only me. I don't bow to what I'm given. I don't drown in what I see. This is the weight I choose to carry. And to curse. I don't need saving, I'll do the work. This is the weight I choose to carry, and I won't lay it at your feet. I won't trade it for forgiveness, I won't beg the world to meet. If this road breaks lesser men, then let it teach me how to be. This is the weight I choose to carry, and it sets me on the ground. Not out of loss, I found my sound. No war to win, no score to keep. No ghost left dragging at my feet. I watch the hunger fade away, the need to shout, the need to stay. What's left when everyone is done is more than I was running from. I don't defend without regret. No victory